Welcome back to day 12 of learning Python. This video will be continuation of the operators in Python. Let's learn about logical operators. Logical operators are used to perform operations on booleans. Okay, let's take an example. If we add two numbers, that is basically performing operation on two numbers. In this case, we are performing operation on two booleans. If I say true and true, it's going to be true. If I say true and false, it's going to be false. If I say true or false, it's going to be true. Let's see in great detail because this is the foundation of operators. So you need to understand this really well. Let's see how logical operators work. So if I print maybe C equal to true, D equal to false.
Then let's see. Print C and C. Okay. Now print C and D. Print D and C.
So let's try to run this program. C and C, because true and true is true. C and C, C and D, true and false, it is false. And D and C, that is again false and true, is false. So see, the thing is that and always written as a true when both values are true. Otherwise, it's going to be written as false. Okay, so both the values are true. Yes, it's going to be true. Since here D is involved, one of them value is false, so we see as false. Added another example, D and D, that is false and false. So if you take a look, I can give comprehensive example here. C and C is true and true. C is true, so true and false, false and true. Last one, false and false. I hope you understood already. Let's move to OR. I will just try to copy this one and paste. And what I will do is I will just press Alt, click the cursor where I needed. So I will just remove the and I'll press OR. So let's run this code. Okay, I will just comment this part one so that it will be not confusing. Okay, let me run this one. Okay, you can see that. So true and true is true. Okay, that is same as earlier. The second one is true or false, that is again true. And third one is false or true, that is true again. And last one is false or false, that is false. So all means either one of these should be true, and if even a single true is present, it's going to be written as true. In this case, we have this case we have false because both are false. So this is how or and works. It works exactly like it works in a plain and simple English. If you understand English, you will understand these logical operators, I can say. Now there is another operator, it's called not operator. So I have already created a file for that, not operator.py. So I will try to print not operator and I will show you how it works. I will print not of true, okay, and print not of false. Let's see what it prints. False and true, we can see the result. So whenever you want to negate the true or false value, you can always use not. When we say not of anything which is true, it's going to be false. And if we do not anything which is false, it is going to be true. Okay, and this is used to create conditional program in Python. Here we are going to build like lot of project, but for now we are focusing on basics. I hope you are able to understand. Not operator is an part of logical operator. Okay, for this, let's talk about assignment operators now. Let's understand these in great details. So I can say a equal to 32 and print a maybe. Let's see what it will print. 32 is printed on the screen, and you might say, hey, what are you doing? 32 will be printed on the screen. I know that, but let me tell you something. What if I do plus equal to 3 maybe? And what if I print? What will happen? Let's see. So basically this operator, so I printed a plus equal to 3, then I will try to print. So if I try to print a, let's see what happens. Oh, 35 is printed. So basically this operator, the plus equal to, the operator is saying to add this 3 to the value of a. So if I run this program, this is 35 and a has been updated to 35, and I can do the same thing with the minus as well. If I do like minus and equal to 33, it will be 29. So as simple as that. Just like we have equal to, we have plus equal to, or minus equal to, or we have star equal to as well. Maybe we can try that one also. If I try star, then if I try to run the program, it will be multiplicated. Yeah, 32 into 3 is 96. You can check in calculator also. Now present equal to, now percent equal to will perform modulus operation. Double star equal to will perform explanation operation, and double forward slash equal to will perform floor division. Okay, now you can try other operator on your own. I really insist you to do that, but this is how assignment operators work. So we have another operators, membership operators and identity operators. This one we are going to see in future videos. What did we learn so far? Variable stores data, and Python support multiple data types. Typecasting allows you to convert between data types. Use input to take the user input and bring to display output. Comment and escape sequence help make your code more readable. Python provides a variety of operators for the performing operations on data. So thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in next video.